Obviously, I would normally do the entire sundae one candy and then a topping. So it'd be all Tootsie Roll or all strawberry candy with the cinnamon topping. I wouldn't split it half and half like this. It looks kind of silly. Just want you to see different ones. You know, when I get really up on top, I don't push these pins quite all the way in. You can find a white candy, that'd be cool because it looked like a whipped cream on top. You can bend the pins so that they can get in. Looks like I just need a couple more and we're gonna be done. And then normally what I would do is I would put a cherry on top, and we used to use atomic fireballs for that. But unfortunately the company used to be nice and big, and now they're these little tiny guys. They're kind of like, you can't really see them. So I think we're gonna put a strawberry on top because it's nice and big. So we're gonna put this in, and we can put a strawberry. Put a strawberry on top. You can pin it in, or you can just put it in. You can also use a kiss on top. Let's see how that looks. I can't really see it very well either. So we'll just put this guy in. And again, you can just use the pins, use a pin to pop them in. So squeeze the little tines together here, get them in. There we go. Okay, so here is the Tootsie Roll side, and here is the, oops, I got a pin showing here. Okay, and then I have another one over here that I did hard candy with. It's a smaller bowl, but I did the hard candy, and I only did half of it on this one too. But you can see you can do hard candy ones too. Okay, so here you have your candy projects. Just want to show you quick, this one on the end. This is just a styrofoam 6" by 3" dummy. It's the same as these others. Added some of the Easter skewers I showed you in the center and used the pins to attach the Kit Kat bars on here. You really could use any candy bar you want with this because they all have a tag, you know, the wrapper tag here that you can stick the pin through and get them on the cake. So it's done in the same manner, pretty cool. If you want to give a cake instead. So here you have your candy gifts for showers, get well, thank you, hostess, teacher gifts, whatever. I spent less than $20 and I can make at least 4 projects out of it. So fast, easy, you need it in a hurry, you can do it in a hurry.